Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a rainy day, so I thought it was a good time to go on another thrift store adventure. So I think I am going to maybe 2 or 3 thrift stores, and of course I am taking you with me, so let's go!
Okay, so the question, is she closing her eyes or are they not painted on? And what's with the glasses that are too small? This one is nice. €4. Also this one. Maybe not with the purple frame, but they're really nice. Also €4. This is my creepy old lady from the Halloween video. 135. I think mine was cheaper, but color of these I really love. They are 50 cents, I think. It's really pretty. And there's also a yellow one. I don't know if I told this yet, but I really hate clowns because I think they're so creepy. So, no. For a tissue box. This is pretty. Does it say how much it is? Nope. So if you like denim, this is something for you. Whoa. It's way more blue than you see on camera, but it's like real denim. So for €95, this couch can be yours with the pillows. Oh, the pillows are, let me see, €3.50 a piece. This time I got a decent haul because I got 2 bags full, and I am going to get the first thing out if I can get it, and that is this Mickey Mouse mug, and I'm so happy. It was 50€. So this one is going into the Disney mug collection. So the next thing I got were this glass and also this glass, and it's upside down, yes. And it's from Warsteiner, and I saw this before, but I really like these designs because they are special ones. So these are all 4, I think. Yeah, 4 you can get, and they were €1 per glass. There is still something in the bag, and that is this mirror, and it was 45€, and I think it's perfect to use for another boho mirror or something like that. On to the next bag. Let me see what I can get here. It's heavy. It's this, and also I got heavy this one. So €2.50 a piece, and I think it's some kind of sticker.
I really don't know, but I thought it would be perfect for DIYs. Let me see, silver number 3. Okay, so I found one like this, so somebody else was asking the same question. So it's not a sticker, but I really love this. So here's this pattern from up close. It's like some kind of disco ball. And here's the other one. And the last thing I got were the little ones. And there were 4 of these, so I got all 4 of them for 10 euro cents. And now I know that these are also not stickers, but I really like the pattern and it's the same as this one. So these I can also use for a DIY. So for all of this I paid €8.35. So I am really happy with this haul. Thank you guys so much for coming with me on this thrift store adventure. And if you liked it, please push the like button. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. Now thank you guys so much for coming with me on this thrift store adventure. Hello? Hi.